In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a completed task in Todoist. Sometimes we mark a task as complete a little too quickly, or we realize we still have something left to do. The good news is that Todoist keeps a record of what you've completed, so you can easily bring a task back if you need to keep working on it. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click whenever you need to undo a completed task. First, open Todoist on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. From here, look for the activity or completed section. In most layouts, you can find this by going to the left-hand sidebar and looking for an option related to your activity or history. Then, click on Completed. This section shows a list of tasks that you've already marked as done, usually ordered by the most recent activity. Once you're on the completed page, take a moment to scan through your list of tasks. This is where Todoist keeps a history of what you've finished, which is really handy when you need to recover something. Find the specific task that you want to undo. You can scroll, or if you have a lot of tasks, you might use the search bar at the top of the app to look for a keyword from that task's name. When you locate the correct item, hover your mouse over it or click it once so it's clearly selected on your screen. Now that you've selected the task, look for the small checkmark circle next to its name. This is the same circle you originally clicked to mark the task as complete. To undo the completion, simply click on that circle again to uncheck it. When you do this, Todoist will move the task back into your active task list, just like it was before you completed it. After you've unchecked the task, you can return to your regular project or today view, and you'll see the task appears again, ready for you to work on, reschedule, or edit as needed. That's all you need to do to undo a completed task in Todoist. Open the completed section, find your task, and uncheck the circle beside it. Once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds and can really save you from losing track of important work.